Hi techs, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access relaxing background sounds on the Mac, like meditation sounds. To do this, click on System Settings, then go to Accessibility. Now click Audio. From here, you can choose different background sounds like rain, or ocean. And others. Isn't that cool? It's kind of like meditation noises. For now, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. And hope you enjoy those meditation sounds.